July. Yes. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting cold. The leaves are turning colors. Why?
Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how I got some loose curls with my curling wand. This is a wig that I got from the You May official store off of AliExpress, and this is a 22-inch wig. It is 250 density Brazilian body wave lace front wig, and I love it. So after I get through sectioning off the hair, getting it ready to one curl, I apply my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. And this is just used to protect the hair against heat damage. So now I'm just taking small sections of my hair and I am getting it ready to apply my Zoe Professional curling wand. This curling wand has 3 attachments. It has a small, medium, and large wand, and I am using the medium wand. I am taking the curling wand and I'm starting from the root of the hair and then taking the rest of the hair and wrapping around the curling wand all the way down. I try to hold the curl for about 10 to 15 seconds and then I release and try to let it cool in my hand just a little bit. So I'm just going to be repeating the same steps all around the head until it's finished. So after I get through smoothing the top with my comb, I go in with my Care finishing spray, and this just gives it a nice hold. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.